Hi, I'm Keith Bobrosky. I'm here today to talk to you about Delta Scientific's revolutionary UVLS100 under-vehicle lighting inspection system. As you can see here, super bright LED technology, low or high modes. You can easily drive a vehicle over this system and inspect with an extension mirror under the vehicle, illuminating the undercarriage of the vehicle so you know exactly what's under there. These under-vehicle lighting systems are incredibly durable. We've tested with rocks and debris and driven over these to make sure that they're going to stand the test of time. You can saw cut concrete trenches into your existing asphalt or concrete foundation, or use knockouts like styrofoam in your concrete pour to allow a negative recess for these under-vehicle lights to be installed very easily in your compound. Contact Delta Scientific today and we'd be happy to give you more information. Thanks.